हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू फन विथ लर्निंग। इस वीडियो में हम आज जानने की कोशिश करेंगे एरिया, पेरीमीटर, लेटरल सरफेस एरिया, टोटल सरफेस एरिया एंड डायगोनल। इस वीडियो में हम इनके बेसिक डिफिनीशन को समझने की कोशिश करेंगे और जनरलाइज करने की कोशिश करेंगे एक फॉर्मूला, जिससे कि हमें इन चीज़ों का कंसेप्ट समझ में आए और इसे रटना ना पड़े। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं। सो आप पेरीमीटर को कैसे डिफाइन करना चाहेंगे? व्हाट इज पेरीमीटर? पेरीमीटर इज द sum of all boundaries, you can say कि there you will find people, they say कि perimeter is the sum of boundaries. I am saying here sum of all boundaries to distinguish between boundaries and all boundaries. What children does, they just say perimeter is the sum of boundary, and once you say sum of all boundaries, so it is quite visible what you have to add up. Like if it is a rectangle, so once you say sum of all boundaries, you will add up the once you have to find perimeter, you will add up this boundary, this boundary, this boundary and this boundary. So it is better way to define perimeter. Now I want to define what is area. It is the surface. It is the surface bounded by boundaries. Like if you have example, if you have copy in rectangular copy, if you have rectangular copy, what is the area of that rectangular copy? It is the very first page of your copy is the area of a rectangular copy. That is the surface of first page. And area, we can define area in terms of formula equal to base into height, with multiplication in n. This n can be, this n is coefficient actually. This will change for each and every figure. Example, for example, if area of a triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height, okay, and area of parallelogram equal to base into height. Here coefficient is 1 and here coefficient is 1 by 2, okay. So now we'll study area and perimeter for different picture, okay. First thing I am taking rectangle. If it is 2 centimeter, length is 2 centimeter and breadth is 1 centimeter, then what is perimeter? If you go by my definition, it is sum of all boundaries. The very first boundary is this one, second boundary is this one, and third boundary is this one, and fourth boundary is this one, okay. So you add up all the boundaries. ये 2 सेंटीमीटर है, ये 1 सेंटीमीटर, ये 2 सेंटीमीटर और ये 1 सेंटीमीटर. So it will be 6 centimeter. Otherwise, there is formula for rectangle also. Perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B, where L stands for length, B stands for breadth. But there is no need to remember the formula. Even formula is being derived by the same thing. You can just observe. If this is length and if this is breadth, then what is perimeter? According to my definition, it is L plus B plus L plus B. It is 2L plus 2B. So it is 2 into L plus. So see, we have derived formula of perimeter of rectangle by the definition only. But by the formula remembering, you cannot solve perimeter for certain. If I give you a picture like this, if I give you a picture like this, it will be very difficult to find the formula of rectangle. If it is 5 centimeter, it is 2 centimeter, it is 2 centimeter, and if it is 2 centimeter, it is 2 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and it is also 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Although you can find perimeter in terms of area also, in terms of by formula also, 2 into L plus B. But you what for that you will have to, तुम्हें बहुत सारे पिक्चर में इसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने पड़ेंगे, ब्रेक करने पड़ेंगे पिक्चर में, तब जाके कहीं आप फाइंड कर पाओगे. फिर भी कैन नॉट फाइंड एरिया ऑफ पेरीमीटर. यू वांट टू एड अप दिस थिंग. सो इसके लिए हमें बेसिक डिफिनीशन जो है पेरीमीटर का, सम ऑफ ऑल बाउंड्रीज यूज करने पड़ेंगे. हम देखते हैं एक क्वेश्चन एनसीईआरटी का 6th क्लास का. देखिए यहाँ पर फाइंड द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फिगर. दिस इज रेक्टेंगल. व्हाट विल बी, yes, this is rectangle. So what will be perimeter? They have defined like this: perimeter equal to AB side they have taken it first, then BC, then again CD and then DA. So measurement क्या है AB का? It is 40 centimeter. BC is 10 centimeter. CD is again 40 centimeter and DA is 10 centimeter. So it will add up to 100 centimeter. You have to write unit, otherwise it will be wrong. Okay, again the perimeter of a square, this is square because all sides are equal, and see perimeter equal to AB, this side is AB, then again BC, then again CD, again DA. So it will be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 na? So it will be 20 centimeter again. Again you can find perimeter of this figure also. Now it will be difficult if you use formula for this figure. Although you can divide like this, you can make 4 picture, then you can find perimeter. But जब हम इसे definition से solve करना चाहते हैं तो ये easier होगा perimeter solve करने में. तो अब हम देखते हैं, तो perimeter और area अब हम देखते हैं डिफरेंट पिक्चर फिगर के लिए. ओके, स्क्वायर के लिए देखते हैं. दिस इज स्क्वायर. ओके, 5 सेंटीमीटर, 5 सेंटीमीटर, 5 सेंटीमीटर. सो पेरीमीटर विल बी सेम. विल एड अप ऑल बाउंड्रीज. 5 plus 5 equal to 20 centimeter. But and then area will be base into height. We have formula base into height, and here n equal to 1 in terms of a square it will be. So what is base? Base is 5 centimeter and height is also, this is height is 90 degrees in square. So we will take this as 5 centimeter again. So it will be 25 centimeter square. It will be 25 centimeter square because whenever we find area it is in 2 dimension. So it will be 25 centimeter square, and whenever we find perimeter we find that in 1 dimension, so it is always in centimeter. And again when we will find volume, so it will be in 3 dimensions, so it will be in centimeter cube. So it is 25 centimeter square, so square is done. Now I'll move to different third number. It is parallelogram. In parallelogram, two opposite sides are parallel to each other. This parallel to this and this parallel to this. The area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Here coefficient is 1. Okay. In square, area of square we write it is a s square, but ultimately it is base into height only, you can see. And again perimeter of parallelogram will be, will add up the sum of AB, CD. Will add up the boundaries AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Now we are moving on to triangle. This is fourth number. This is A, B vertex and vertex C. So perimeter will be again same, just we have to add up boundaries. Sum of AB plus BC plus CA. And area is equal to, we all know, 1 by 2 into base into height. See, this base into height is common in every area, you can observe this. Only coefficients are changing. These all four figure we have read, only coefficients are changing. Now we will study circle. Okay, so area of circle is equal to, this is pi r square. This area is pi r square because it is it will also in centimeter square. It is, area is always in centimeter square. And again perimeter is equal to 2 pi r. But here we don't set perimeter in terms of circle. This is the length of this boundaries, it's called perimeter, but we don't say boundary. There is a special name of this. There is no circumference. Circumference of circle. Okay. And area is the surface bounded by this circumference for circle. Now we will study trapezium. It is very easy to write perimeter because again it has also four sides, so we'll sum of them, will get perimeter. Perimeter equal to AB plus BC plus CD and then DA. But what is area? Again area, it has to be something like base into height. But once if you know the formula of area of trapezium, we write area is equal to, area of trapezium is equal to, do you remember? Yes, it is 1 by 2 into sum of parallel side. Parallel side into height. Okay, but we'll derive this. Okay, we'll see how they are same. See, this is trapezium. What we can do, we can make a parallelogram. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is vertex T, and this is E. Okay, so if this is a parallelogram and if this is height, this is also height, 90 degree, height will be same, and we are considering this as B1 and this is as B2. Okay, what will be area of parallelogram? Area of parallelogram EBCD equal to, it will be base into height, because I have told you area is base into height with coefficient 1 in case of parallelogram. So it will be B1 into height. And what is area of triangle? Do you remember? There is no need to remember, just you have to put coefficient 1 by 2 and base into height. So it is 1 by 2 into what is base? Base is B2 in case of triangle, you can see this is B2, and this is height is same, so it will be, yes, it is 1 by 2 into base into height. So area of trapezium is equal to area of EBCD, that is a parallelogram, plus area of triangle, is equal to 1 by equal to base B1 into height plus 1 by 2 into B2 into height. So if I take H common, it will be B1 plus B2 by 2. So it is H into B1 plus B2 by 2. So we can take again 1 by 2 as common, so it will be 1 by 2 into H into 2B1 plus B2. So can I write 1 by 2 into H into B2 plus B1 plus B1? Are you okay? So it will be 1 by 2 into H into B2 plus B1 plus B1. I'm just constructing again trapezium here. This was our parallelogram with B1 and this is B2. So this is also B1 and this is B1, okay. This is B1 and this is B2. So what we get? 1 by 2 into height into sum of parallel side. This is one parallel side, this side is parallel to this side, so it is sum of B1, this one is B1 and this one is B2 plus B1, this is base actually, AB plus it is CD, so it is AB plus CD, since AB equal to B1 plus B2, okay. So what it is? 1 by 2 into sum of parallel side into height. So ultimately it was also a base into height, it was in the form of base into height actually. So now we'll be studying lateral surface area, okay. Lateral surface area, can you define what is lateral surface area? In terms of if you talk about cuboid I am talking about, the lateral surface area is the surface area of all the wall, this 4 wall, this is first wall, this is second wall and this is third wall, this is fourth wall. Actually we leave the surface area of top and base figure. In lateral surface area we find the area of lateral part and we just ignored top area and base area. And what is total surface area? It is the inclusion, that it is lateral surface area plus inclusion of top area of any figure plus base area. Wait, I'm giving you some example also. If it is our we have if you have must studied this cylinder, so I'm giving you its lateral surface area is equal to 2 pi rh, 2 pi rh, and what total surface area is area equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. So we can see here 2 pi r, what is this, 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Can I write like this, pi r square plus pi r square to 2 pi r h. So this is again lateral surface area, and this is the surface area of base, this portion, downward portion, and this is the surface area of top portion. Okay, now we'll be studying about diagonal. Okay, what is diagonal? Can we define diagonal? It is the line segment joining any two non-consecutive vertices. So it is your homework, define vertices also. A vertex. What is vertex? Okay. So how? Tell me how many diagonals a rectangle has. This rectangle. Can you tell me how many diagonals it has? So you must be knowing it has two diagonals. This is first diagonal and this is second diagonal. Because we can draw only two line segment which are non-consecutive, which are at non-consecutive vertex. How many diagonal has? It has two diagonal. Okay. So square should have also only two diagonal. But can you tell me how many diagonal this figure has? This is hexagon. So now it will be very difficult to count actually. See how many diagonals we can draw. See, this is first, because any line segment joining any two non-consecutive vertices now. So this is second and this is third, and from here we can draw this is fourth, this is fifth, this is sixth. From here I can draw this is seventh, this is eighth. From here I can draw this is ninth. But it is quite confusing. You cannot draw all diagonal if I give you some figure like this. So what is this? This has three sides, 3 to 5, 3, 8. It is octagon. Now you cannot find, you won't be able to draw all the diagonals. But don't be worry, we have a formula for this, and to find number of diagonal of any polygon is equal to n into n minus 3 by 2. Okay, So just I am giving you example. We will find diagonal for hexagon. If n is equal to 6, in hexagon we have 6 sides. So what will be diagonal? Number of diagonal is equal to 6 into 6 minus 3 by 2. It should be 6 into 3 by 2 is equal to 9. So we had got, and even you can check it for this formula. If you want to check, you can check it for rectangular also. N equal to 2 side, n equal to 4 side. Okay, rectangle has 4 side. So this number of diagonal will be equal to 4 into 4 minus 3 by 2. It will be 4 into 1 by 2. It is 2. So for your homework, like SW, you can find number of diagonal for number 1 octagon, number 2 decagon. Okay, so in this class we have studied area, perimeter, diagonal, lateral surface area, total surface area. Yes, this thing we have studied. If you don't understand, अगर इनमें से कुछ भी समझ नहीं आया तो आप कमेंट कर सकते हैं और आगे हमसे पूछ सकते हैं, हम मैसेज के थ्रू आपको रिप्लाई करेंगे. और इसके नेक्स्ट वाले वीडियो में हम वॉल्यूम को समझने की कोशिश करेंगे. हाँ, और एक चीज, हम एरिया को और बेटर वे में डिफाइन कर सकते हैं. अगर कोई बच्चा समझना चाहता है, अगर ये रेक्टेंगल है हमारे पास, like perimeter, it is defined in terms of boundary, so it is very easy to understand it. But area को अगर हम समझना चाहते हैं तो हम एक बेटर तरीके से समझ सकते हैं सम ऑफ यूनिट सरफेस के एरिया के फॉर्म में. अगर ये हमारे पास एक रेक्टेंगल है, बड़ा सा एक रेक्टेंगल है और इसमें ये दिस लेंथ इज 6 सेंटीमीटर एंड दिस इज 4 सेंटीमीटर. क्यों? मतलब once we write what is the formula of rectangle, it is what is formula for area of rectangle? Area is equal to length into breadth. बट हम ऐसा लिखते क्यों हैं? ये डायरेक्टली किसी को समझ में नहीं आता है, तो हम इसे इस तरह से समझ सकते हैं. अगर हम इसे 6 कॉलम में, दिस फर्स्ट कॉलम, सेकेंड कॉलम, थर्ड कॉलम, फोर्थ कॉलम, फिफ्थ कॉलम एंड सिक्स कॉलम. Now we'll divide into 4 rows: first, second, third and fourth rows. So if you want to count the number of this is small unit surface area, this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. So we have 4 rows also. 6 times plus 6, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. So in total we have 24 unit surface area. If this is 1 centimeter and if this is 1 centimeter, so total area is equal to 24 centimeter square. By if you add up all this small unit surface area. And what is area by formula? Area by formula is equal to length into breadth. It is 6 into 4 is equal to 24 centimeter. 24 centimeter square. ओके, तो यहाँ से आप समझ सकते हैं कि एरिया हम ड्राइव कैसे कर सकते हैं. हम हमेशा यूनिट सेंटीमीटर एरिया के फॉर्म में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करके एरिया फाइंड कर सकते हैं. सो आज का क्लास हम यहीं पर फिनिश करते हैं. आप वॉल्यूम हम नेक्स्ट वाले वीडियो में स्टार्ट करेंगे. सो आप इस चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि आपको इसका नोटिफिकेशन मिल सके. बाय गाइस.